Hello. So this is part of a larger job, but this is the tiling part. So this is going to go on the tiling adverts that we put online. So as you can see, we've got intricate style tiling to do, which you can see on the picture there. And you can see all the small little tiles just on the step ready to be done. So we've got David, who is our expert tiler. That's him part of the way through laying the tiles. Each tile is an individual tile, so they're very small and very, very difficult to do. This, I mean, it makes it look easy when you're looking on a video like this, but this is days of work to get it to this point. Every tile has to be done absolutely perfect, otherwise it throws off all the rest of the tiles in the pattern. This is the grouting stage. You can see they're just literally spreading grout on the top, forcing it into the gaps between the tiles. And then the surface grout will then be cleaned off and you'll be left with nice looking grout in between the tiles. Looks a bit ugly at the minute, but obviously don't worry about that. It will look nice, probably on the next video in about 10 seconds. So you can see the surface grout has been removed now, and it's literally pretty much finished now. Actually, so it's looking really, really good. This is literally, like I said, days and days of work to get it looking this good. It looks like a small area, but there's a lot of tiles in that small area. Each one has to be laid exactly perfect to make it look good. So yeah, job well done, I would say, by our expert tiler, David, who you might have seen on previous videos. This was a part of a larger project. We also refurbished all these stone steps that you can see. They're brand new as well. So the stone steps were built in a way to get the levels correct and get the size and the space correct for that intricate Victorian style tiling. So all this was built first, all the York stone steps and rises and everything, and it was all built to the exact measurements of the pattern for the tiles, so we could fit it perfectly in. So that's a part of the reason why it looks so good, because the area it is laid into was built specifically for them tiles. So yeah, really, really, really good job. I mean, it looks stunning. I didn't put a before picture on here, and I probably should have done, but really, really top-notch job. And it's something we're very proud to call this a handy's job, this one of ours. So yeah, well done to the guys who did this, David and Keo.